Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be assembling SA-304, the boiler blower valve for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get assembling. Alright, so let's start assembling. Before we do, I need to change the colour of this one. I've got to do that. So let me go to metal. We want, we'll do a chrome. Let's make it look nice. There we go. Okay, let's go File, New. This time we're on Assembly MMGS. And we're going to do View, Hide. We've got Origin so I can see. It's going to put that one. Actually, before we do, let me just click that so it locks it in place. So I don't have to open that again. There's that one. Okay, so we want that piece. So it can be turned around. That one. The washer. What's it called? Oh, it's actually a spindle, yep, and the wheel. There we go. That should be everything. So I'll highlight that, click that, and then go View, Hide, Show, and Origins again. Now, might put this in first. I can just see roughly where it's going. So we want to go Mate, Cylinder, Cylinder, facing wrong way, so flip it. And there we go. Pull it out. So about there. Okay, so we want yeah, it's a bigger thread, so it's got to go on that one, yep. So we got, can we get a circle anywhere? Oh, we can get a circle there. Excellent. And cylinder there. But we need to flip that one as well. Beautiful. Okay, that face and this face. Okay, that completely that way. If I undo it, it doesn't lose everything. Next one will be the washer. So cylinder to cylinder. Oop, where'd it go? Oh boy. Okay, let me undo that. So it goes inside there. I don't want that. So let me do that face and this face. There we go. That's better. Now the cylinder. Or circle. Either way. There we go. We got it on there. Cool. So that's on there. Click out of that. Now the reason I do that is, say example, I had done it all in one row. I realized I made a mistake there. If I undid, it undoes all of them. Where if I go out, come back in, if I undid that one while doing it, and then that one, it would not undo all of them. That's why I do that. In other words, click undo thing, undo one mate that does the whole lot you've done that stream. Okay, so next one will be this thread needs to go on that thread. Let me do mate that face to that face to see what it does. Beautiful. Now this circle to this circle. There we go. Perfect. Now let's move that a bit closer. We want this face tie against that face. Now this cylinder, can't find one that's got just the circle on it. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Surprised there's not none on that thing. Oh, let me just check something. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the wash 6. No, there's no nut. So you think there'd be a nut on the end of that, which to me it should be. That way it just stops that coming off. You don't unscrew it accidentally. So there's assembly SA-304. The boiler blower valve done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you again for everyone that has. Leave comments too. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.